Hi there, I am Yvonne DeSellis. Sorry about the shaky cam. I'm just trying to fix the video camera the way it's positioned right now. Really hope you can hear me. I got yet another new microphone, and I'm just showing this to you so that you understand when I walk back there, the volume's going to go down because I'm getting further away from this, but I'm really hoping this is working. I'm going to show you two fairly quick exercises, actually three. One is an exercise on how to release anger without hurting anybody else, and two other quick exercises for helping to de-stress, to lower your stress levels, and also a kind of a replacement behavior. I'm going to just go back there to show you the release anger video. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can because I'm using my phone and I have limited space, so I'm hoping I can get this to work. But just to quickly show you, there's two different ways to do this. You either want to throw down fast or go very slow. I prefer the fast method, but I can show you both. But you want to take whatever it is that's getting you angry and you want to visualize it. You can have your arms bent or straight out. Visualize whatever it is that's making you angry. Put it in your hands and make a fist. Most important thing here with the fist is don't have your fingernails going in towards your hands. You want to either have it down or curved all the way so that the fingernails are pointed up rather than towards your hand so you don't hurt yourself. So once again, visualize whatever it is that's getting you very, very upset. Say it's a family member or a situation, just whatever is making you angry. Try to visualize it and put it in your hands. Make fists around it and then breathe in. And bring your hands up and overhead. And then you're going to either quickly or slowly throw it down and let go of whatever it is that's getting you upset. So I will do the quick method first. And as you go all the way down, let your hands go up, let go of whatever it is that's getting you upset. And then the other way to do this is the slow method. So once again, whatever is upsetting you in your hands, make fists over it, don't let it out. Breathe it up and over. And then slowly, and then let it go. Shake your hands out. And then to get rid of any negative energy that you have left in your hands, just rub your hands together and shake them out. Last two things I want to show you how to do. The first one is if you've got stress, panic, you're freaking out about anything, one thing that can help you is to just take either hand, whatever you feel more comfortable with. This is my right hand. It's going to look like my left because this is a mirror image. But you want to basically make a duck bill. So index and pinky together, thumb underneath, press it together like this, and then just hold the very tips and you can squeeze, do a pulse squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And that should help you calm down. One of the things I use this for is because I am a white knuckle patient when I go to the dentist. I find doing this to be a lot less painful than grabbing onto the handrails. So when anything is happening that I don't like or that I feel uncomfortable with, I just do this instead. And I did this for my last two appointments, and they were the best appointments I've had in a very long time. This helped lower my stress level significantly. And when I came out of the office, unlike usual, my hands didn't kill me because I wasn't grabbing onto the handrails. It's also good replacement, negative behavior replacement. So if you find yourself resorting to smoke a cigarette or drink or pick at your cuticles or bite your nails, something like that, doing something like this can be a replacement. And then the very last one is what I like to call the comfort clasp. I will put a link to the video that I learned this from because I found it very helpful and entertaining. It's by Dondi Dahlin, and when I have a chance to edit the video, I will put it in the description below. I call it the comfort clasp. You want to take both hands, once again, index finger to pinky, keep them together, stick them under your armpits, crisscross, and hold your thumbs against your chest like this. These are lung points, so this is effective because these fingers are on meridians and these fingers are on lung points. This also taps into the penetrative flow. It's just a comfortable position to hold. And let's just hold this for a couple of in and out breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth if possible. Most important for energy healing breathing is have your tongue at the roof of your mouth behind your top row of teeth. So breathe in and out. And let's just do one more in and out breath. In and out. And this is actually my second time shooting this video today. I hope you could hear me. I hope I was as audible as possible. I also hope that you couldn't hear the kids that are outside this room. It's possible you may have been able to hear them because they are being really kind of loud, but it's okay, they're kids. That's what they do. But I'm really hoping it wasn't distracting. I'm also hoping you didn't need this video, but if you did, I really hope this video helped you. And if you did find this video helpful, I really hope you will share it with others that you think it could help. I just wanted to thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, I hope you'll be back. And also, if you're not new, if you've been here before, or if you're one of my subscribers, I love you all so much. Thank you so much. I was finally able to monetize my channel a few months ago, 3 or 4 months ago. I think I've been paid twice. It's helpful. I'm just trying to boost my income a little bit, so every little bit helps. So thank you once again. Thank you so, so much. I really hope you have a very happy holiday, and I hope you have a wonderful new year for everybody, for you and your family. I am sending Reiki energy your way right now. And once again, thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope this was audible. This is, I think, the 5th or 6th microphone I've gotten so far, and I really hope it worked. Let me know if you couldn't hear me in the comments down below, and leave any other comments you wish. Any sort of interaction is much appreciated, and I really appreciate you for coming to see me. Thank you once again. I wish you all the best, and I will be back in about a week. I'm going to go through the holidays first, so it might not be until after New Year's Eve, and I'm then going to go to Tewksbury to help my mother out. So there's going to be a lot going on between now and the end of the holidays. It's possible I won't be back until after the holidays. So once again, I wish you and yours a very happy holiday season, and I hope we all have a much better new year. Take care. Thank you once again. Cheers and namaste. Thanks again. Bye-bye.